Today I had an insane craving for sambal matah, so we're making Nasi Goreng Sambal Matah. Now, sambal matah is a raw, spicy shallot type of salsa from Bali, Indonesia, and I'm having such travel wanderlust for Bali right now because it's just that time of the year and we're still on a travel lockdown. But yes, I'm making sambal matah, but in a fried rice version, and this is amazing as a quick fulfilling lunch, so let's go. Let's start with the important ingredients. You're going to need shallots first and foremost. Of course, if you only have the big onion, then you can use those as well. It's really not a big deal. Chop these up finely. Then you need the spice, which are these bird's eye chilies. Also chop these up. Now if you prefer yours to be not so spicy, you can use the bigger chilies. These are not as spicy as the Thai bird's eye chilies. Next, you need 1 lemongrass. Now this is essential. Remove the hard outer layer as well as the top portion. We really just want the softer core of the lemongrass. Go ahead and chop these finely as well. These next few items are not necessary. You can make basic sambal matah with just the 3 ingredients from earlier, but I'm just going to level this up just a little bit with 1 clove of garlic, kaffir lime leaves, about 2 to 3 leaves. Finely shred this. Make sure you remove the hard middle stem and throw it away. And finally, juice from 1 lime. And then next, of course, you're going to need rice. I have 1 serving of rice here, or just about 1 cup. For nutritional sake, I'm going to be adding some sliced up green leafy vegetables here, or bok choy. And for oil, we are going to be using a coconut oil. To me, coconut oil is essential for sambal matah. But if you don't have coconut oil already at home, then just use regular neutral tasting oil like vegetable oil. Okay, time to cook. This is a really quick process, okay? In the pan, add the coconut oil, just about 2 tablespoons. Once it's hot, throw in all of the chopped up aromatics. So to make sambal matah without the rice, all you do is combine the chopped up ingredients in a bowl, throw in about 1 teaspoon of salt and sugar, heat the coconut oil and pour the hot oil over the ingredients in the bowl, and you're done. But yeah, just stir fry the chopped up ingredients together, and this really doesn't take long at all. Once the fragrance gets released, toss in the rice as well as the leafy vegetables. And then go ahead and add your seasoning of 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Go ahead and stir all of that together. Basically, you stir fry all of that together, and once the leafy vegetables cook, you are, well, done. How insanely quick. Turn off the heat, and if you're using lime juice like I am here, then go ahead and add in the lime juice as a final finishing touch.
Okay.
For added protein, I fried an egg, and fried eggs are always great with fried rice. as well as I'm adding some garnishing of cucumbers. This brought me back to Bali just a little bit. Sambal Matah is truly my favorite Balinese condiment. I ask for it all the time, no matter what I order. Can't wait for when we get to travel again soon. Until then, stay safe, try this out, and bye!